There is a cult in Greenville, Ohio that you need to be made aware of. This cult is the Church of God Restoration. They have appointed themselves 12 apostles and believe those apostles are greater than the original 12 apostles.
Stop thinking of Paul the Apostle as greater than Brother Ray.
Their chief apostle is a guy named Ray Tinsman. This man is almost viewed as a godlike figure. Ray Tinsman says that he can take away salvation.
The ability to take away someone's salvation.
In short, yes.
He also says that he can write scripture.
Could one of you write scripture?
Yes, sir.
And their leader says to lay down your burdens and get behind not Jesus, but him.
Lay down your burdens. Get behind me.
Members are not allowed to miss church. They are told what color of car to drive and even what color of underwear to wear. The reason I make this video is I live within an hour of Greenville. I have worked with people from this cult. I have seen the damage that this cult has done. Remember, the devil knows scripture better than any human being, and he knows how to twist it.